Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix screen flickering while playing games in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. Just need to scroll down, select advanced display. Just need to scroll down next to choose a refresh rate, click on this drop down and you just need to select your monitor's highest refresh rate guys. In my case, my monitor has the highest refresh rate is 60. That's why I'm selected 60. After selecting that, you just need to select keep changes option to save it and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the game you having problem with and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section and right click on where graphics card driver and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. In this list, you just need to select the previous version of drivers guys. In your case, you have date and version name listed over here. You just need to select the previous version and select next option. After getting update done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.